Once you arrive, you have to check 3 things. USIM, currency exchange, T-money card. Regardless of the exit that gets off each of A and B, you can purchase the 3 things mentioned earlier. USIM, currency exchange, T-money card. However, it may cost a little more because you use the service directly from the airport. There are 3 ways to go to Seoul from Incheon Airport Terminal 2: taxi, bus, train. Taxi information. Suitable if you have heavy luggage or prefer convenience. More expensive compared to other transportation options. Travel time may vary with traffic conditions. The fare may change depending on the number of passengers, the time, and traffic conditions, so please check the fare using an app before you travel. How to find out the taxi fare quickly. First, you need to install an app called Naver Map. Go to the Play Store app. Search for Naver Map in the search box. If it is not installed, please install it and open the app when the installation is complete. Please go into the app. Please set your departure and destination. When you select a destination, the next search destination is automatically set to the destination. Then the estimated arrival time comes out, and you can check the estimated taxi fare by pressing the Details button.
Exit AB doesn't matter. Come out first. We are here. We have to go here. We have to go outside. You can see the sign here. Go outside along the road. Wait for the signal in front of the traffic light. We are here. We have to go here. If you cross the traffic light and walk down the street, you'll reach your destination.
Subway information. There are many stairs at subway stations in Korea. If your luggage is heavy, it can be a little hard, but it will be okay. It is the cheapest compared to other modes of transportation. The subway travel time is fixed, so you can move on a planned basis. It is the fastest way to reach your destination among public transportation.
Exit AB doesn't matter. Come out first. We are here. We need to go down to the basement using an escalator. We have to go here. You can see the sign here. Walk along the direction of the sign. We have to come here. Now we need a payment method to use the subway. This is a machine where you can buy a direct train ticket, but I recommend you to buy a T-Money card. If you walk a little further, you can purchase regular train tickets, and there is a machine that charges T-Money card cash. And across the street, there is a machine where you can purchase T-Money cards. You can purchase a T-Money card from this machine or at the convenience store in the back. And you need to charge the cash on the T-Money card. Please choose the amount and put in cash. Once the charge is complete, you can tap the T-Money card on the terminal at the turnstile. If you go down the escalator, you'll see the entrance to the subway. There are places to ride in both directions, and you have to ride in the direction where the arrows are located. You go to your destination by taking the subway and watching the station on the electronic sign. Exit at the right stop and tap your T-Money card at the gate.
Bus information. It is suitable if you have a heavy load or if it is convenient. The fare is cheaper than a taxi. Travel time may vary with traffic conditions.
Exit A, B doesn't matter. Come out first. We are here. We need to go down to the basement using an escalator. We have to go here. You can see the sign here. Walk along the direction of the sign. We have to buy tickets at the bus ticket booth. Buy tickets from the bus ticket purchasing machine. After purchasing the ticket, you need to remember the departure time and bus platform number. We have to go to the bus platform. Please check the bus platform number. Go to the bus platform number. Now you can wait at the right bus platform number and get on the bus when the bus arrives.